Today we're going to look at how you earn using Binance, the complete step by step. So you just have to stick to me to understand this properly. So you know what is at stake, you know how much to put in, you know how much is your interest, and you know how to calculate everything. Now this is my dashboard. If you look at it, this is my dashboard. It's fully verified. So you go ahead and make sure your Binance is verified. So stick with me throughout this video and you see how this works. Now before I go on, you tap on more. If you click on more, look at it here, tap on more, you will now check, go down and see where you can earn. You can use this, you see this earn, or you can just continue to this particular spot. You see down here, the same thing, earn using Binance. If you see, they are the same. This is earn and also this is earn. So you can go to this point, you click on earn, you wait for it. Now if you look at it very well, it's very straightforward, but it's tricky. If you look at it, you see that you have auto invest, which means you just have to be investing. Then if you look at this, 25% fixed deposit for 7 days. If you buy this coin AXS, if you buy it and you fix it, you put it, it's just like staking. You put it for 7 days, you get 25%. BNB, you get 6.53% for 60 days. Now this is flexible, and this is the one I actually recommend for anyone. The flexible, you see this is flexible, which means you can redeem it at any time at all. You can go to the ones that are best for beginners, and you will see they will tell you that you should pick. You see, flexible is number one on top. Flexible, you pick it. Flexible, at any day, anytime you can remove it. Others are also flexible. Now when you tap on this one, this BNB vault, you look at this. I have actually, just to try, I use 0.0073 BNB. I stake this. Actually, I don't want to remove it. I just want to subscribe for the purpose of this video and my YouTube channel. Now look at this earning distribution. You see, you have 0.00000028, then you have 0.35. I have done this for number of days, and all these are part of what they have given me. If you click on this distributed record, click on it and wait for it to load, you will see that over a period of time they have given me so many offers and gifts. Now this include BNB itself, and also it include other currencies that are here. It's taking time to load. Distribution, and all this you can actually convert them to BNB or BTC Cash, which is or BTC itself, so that you can actually withdraw them at any point in time. Load. It's loading. It's taking time to load. Now you can see all this. If you look at it, I have gotten this amount, and also this amount MC. I've gotten high again, MC, BNB, high, MC, BNB, high, MC, BNB, high, MC, BNB, distributed. If you look at it, is daily distribution. It's daily. 4th, you have on the 3rd, you have on the 2nd, like that. So what am I trying to say? At any point in time, you can click on redeem, and you actually get your 0.0073 BNB, which you have staked. You will still get it. It's there for you, and other small coins and other benefits you have gotten from distributed record. It goes straight to your spot wallet. Now you'll be asking, what is spot wallet or convert? This is convert, and then this is spot wallet. You can actually convert them to BNB or BTC. Why do you need to convert your coin? Now sometimes if you go to how you can sell back this coin. That's P2P trading here. If you look at here, you see you have P2P trading. Now, why do you need to convert coin? That's when you get to understand. If you go to P2P, you get to understand that if you check, you have USDT, which is just like the US dollar. You check BTC, BUSD, and then you see BNB. At every point in time, you will see plenty people, what will I say now, clients, customers, or these app users. They are here trying to do what? To sell and buy. If you want to buy, if you check BSU, you see people buying and selling at every point in time. While those other currencies, you may not get someone that want to buy that particular amount of coin. So at all times, you need to convert your currency, your coin, to either BNB, USD, BTC, or you convert it to USDT. So, and you can also actually convert to Ethereum. You see, so these 5 cryptocurrency coins are the ones people actually need at every point in time, anytime, anywhere in the world. You need this. You will need BNB at every time to either, for any smart contract, you need BNB on any smart chain network. You need Ethereum for Ethereum network, and so on and so forth. But other small coins like the future coins and the rest, although they are there on the market, you need them because they somehow, will I say, they are volatile. They can increase overnight. Overnight, you can have a coin that grow 200%. You can have a coin that grow like Shiba and the rest, Solana. They grow very fast.